In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with Yahoo Calendar. This is a useful skill, especially if you want to consolidate your schedules. With both calendars synced, you can ensure you don't miss any important events. Now let's jump right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. You will see various search results. It is important to click on the correct link to ensure you are taken directly to the Yahoo Mail login page. This step sets the foundation for the entire process. If you accidentally click on the wrong link, you might end up on a site that isn't secure. So, take a moment to verify that you clicked on the official Yahoo Mail link. Once that is done, log into your Yahoo Mail account. Enter your email address and password carefully. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity with a code sent to your mobile device. Logging in is crucial because it gives you access to your calendars and settings. If you encounter issues logging in, double-check your credentials for accuracy. This ensures you can proceed smoothly. Next up, click the calendar icon located in the top right corner of the Yahoo Mail interface. The icon resembles a small calendar and is usually easy to spot. Clicking this icon takes you to your calendar section where all your events are organized. This step is vital as it directs you to the area where you can manage and share your calendars. You will see your existing events and upcoming appointments. After that, find the calendar you want to share in the left sidebar. Hover over it and you will see an arrow or menu icon appear. Or you can right-click on the calendar name. This menu provides options for managing that specific calendar. It is important to select the correct calendar, especially if you have multiple calendars set up. This ensures you are sharing the right events with Google Calendar. From there, select Edit Calendar from the menu options that appear. This action opens up the settings for the selected calendar. In this section, you can adjust various settings, including sharing options. This step is essential because it allows you to configure how your calendar will interact with other services. You will be able to see the sharing settings clearly. Now check the box for Get Shareable Link. This option enables you to create a link that others can use to view your calendar. Ensuring this box is checked is crucial because without this step, you won't be able to retrieve the link needed for syncing. You will notice a confirmation that the shareable link is ready to be generated. Next, copy the link provided under the To View in a Browser ICS/IKL section. This link is the key to syncing your Yahoo Calendar with Google Calendar. Highlight the link and right-click to select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut. This action is significant because it prepares the information you will need in the next steps. Having this link ensures a seamless transfer between the two calendars. After that, open Google Calendar on your computer. You might want to open a new tab in your browser for this. Google Calendar will provide you with a clean interface where you can manage your events. This step is essential as it is where the actual syncing will take place. You will be greeted by your existing calendar events ready for integration with Yahoo. At this point, in the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Other Calendars section. This is where you can manage additional calendars outside of your main calendar. By locating this section, you are preparing to add your Yahoo Calendar link. It's important to identify this area clearly to avoid confusion. From there, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars and choose from URL. This action opens a new field where you can enter the link you copied earlier. Selecting from URL is crucial because it tells Google Calendar that you want to add a calendar via a web link. This allows for automatic updates whenever new events are added in Yahoo. Next, paste the Yahoo ECS link into the provided field. Right-click in the field and choose Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut. This step is important because it directly inputs the information needed to connect the two calendars. Once pasted, take a moment to verify that the link appears correctly. Finally, click Add Calendar. Your Yahoo events will now appear in Google Calendar. This action completes the syncing process, allowing you to see all your events in one place. You will notice a confirmation message indicating that the calendar has been added successfully. And there you have it. Following these steps, you have successfully synced your Google Calendar with your Yahoo Calendar. Now you can manage your schedule more efficiently. Thank you for watching.